Today, I'll show you how to merge multiple PDF files into a single PDF, quickly and for free. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So I have 4 separate PDF files that I want to merge. You can have more or fewer files. The steps are exactly the same. First, open Google Chrome web browser. Next, go to Google and type Merge PDF. You'll see many websites that offer PDF merging tools. For this tutorial, I'll use ilovepdf.com, which is simple and reliable. Click on the website to open it. Now click on Select PDF Files. This will open your File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your PDFs are saved. In my case, they're on the desktop. Select all the PDF files you want to merge. You can select multiple files at once by clicking and dragging your mouse. Then click Open. If you want to add more files later, you can always click Upload Files again. Once the files are uploaded, make sure they are in the correct order. To change the order, hover your mouse over a file, then click and drag it to rearrange the pages. I want my files in this order: Page 1, Page 2, Page 3, and Page 4. After setting the correct order, scroll down and click Merge PDF. The website will process your files, and within a few seconds, the merged PDF will automatically download to your computer. You can find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Open it, scroll through the pages, and you'll see that all your PDFs are now combined into one single document. And that's it. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Easy Guide YouTube channel.